The importance of the community center to the community is it's the hub of our community, and it houses all aspects of functions that happen in the community, as far as whether it be hockey, funerals, curling, meetings. The community has responded well to this project. They were excited to see the panels being installed. Plus, they're anxious to see what the outcome of the savings might be in the future. I would like to express my thanks as mayor from the community to Prairie Sun Solar for what they have done to the community, and the easy working relationship we've had with them.
So the average annual costs of electricity for the community center is roughly $70,000 a year. This is where council saw a pretty good opportunity to make some savings there with our solar system. The annual generation of power for our solar system is about 220,000 kilowatt hours. Being that a large portion of our project was federally and provincially funded, it should only take roughly 6 years to have our costs recouped and start making money. The solar system has an estimated life expectancy of 30 years, after which we're still expecting about 80% efficiency on the system itself. So we'll have many years of savings there. This project is a major benefit for the town of Wilke. With the costs of everything on the rise continuously, we've basically locked in a portion of our electrical costs at a set amount. So those savings over the next years can be put to better use in other areas in the town. Our experience with Prairie Sun Solar has been fantastic. Hasn't really been a whole bunch of communication between us, which is a good thing, because they knew what they were doing, and we knew what they were doing the whole time, and everything went very smooth.
Well, as a high school student here, I feel like it's a good idea to transition to solar panel for the power of the community center. It'll help support the community by cutting down on costs so we can move the money elsewhere, and it'll be more eco-friendly. As a younger member of the community, I think it's a good idea to transition to solar panels for power at the community center. They'll cut down on the cost of power so we can move the money to other projects in parts of town, and it'll be more eco-friendly and sustainable.